Another Form Titan DocuSign video. In this video, I'll talk to you about how to attach additional files to Form Titan DocuSign and push to Salesforce. What I'll do is I'll go to my document here, and this is just a standard contract demo document that I've got, and it's got contract terms, start date, contact name, billing street, billing city, postcode, state, country, and signature. And what I've done is I've given each of it its own tag here under advanced. And that's it. And what we're going to do is going to push this into an object called contracts within Salesforce. We're creating new from scratch. And what I want to talk about in this video is file attachments and value of this functionality. Once you check this, you will be allowed to upload files to the document. And you can specify how many attachments you can accept. So for example, I'll say 10 and I can accept 10 attachments. I'm only going to leave this one for now. Next is this functionality, required file attachments. If you check this, it means that by default, when you go ahead and finish the sign, or your client goes to finish the sign, he has to upload that file attachments depending on what the count limit is. So if you don't want to make this mandatory, just uncheck it. But if you do want to make it mandatory, check it. I'm going to make it mandatory. Then you can specify your your document types. So you can have something like image, or you can have JPG, backslash, and then add the star on there as well, like this. So we're going to leave this as it is. Next, what you want to do is under document submit, configure the attachment correctly. So first we'll do the contract mapping. This is the account I'm going to push it into, and then I'll specify the rest of the fields here. Billing street, and then we'll do contact name, and then we'll do contract term, and that's it. That's what we'll push so far into the contract object. Then you want to look at your mapping documents attached. So this is where any attachments that are uploaded will need to be specified where they're going to get pushed into. Your content version will always be version data, it won't be anything else. Next is your title. If you want to give it a static value like I have, you just choose static value here, and then you'll have an additional field here where you can choose your name of the document. I'm just going to call it demo upload attachment. Then you need to specify your first published location ID. For me, it's going to be my parent record ID, which is the contracts object itself. That's all I have to do. Click apply, save, and then we'll publish this document. Now the document has been published, there are a couple of things I'll do. First, I'll enter the data in here, which is required data. I'll enter some stuff in here. And then I'll add some signature. Notice that I haven't uploaded any attachment, but if I click finish sign, it says need to provide attachments for documents, which means I must upload my one attachment that I have specified. So if I click attachments here, I can choose or drag files to attach. But I'm just going to choose them, and then what I'll do, you can see that I can only accept images, so only images are only available in here. I'll just choose an image for now in here, like this, and then I'll click attach. Once I've done that, I'll go ahead and finish sign, and that's been signed. Now let's go back into my integration log and see what's happened. So there you go, it's been created. Let's go into my contract. I'll show you where my images are uploaded, and as well as the signed PDF. So there you go. There's my contract that's just been created. All good to go, no problems here. And then here's my contract that's just been uploaded. And then if I look at my attachment, this was the files attachment that I just uploaded. So that's how it's done. That's how you push how you attach the additional files to Form Titan DocuSign and push to Salesforce.